In the midst of desert bleakness, there is treasure. Treasure in the form of over 130 large-scale metal sculptures, intriguing passerbys' eyes on cruises through California's Anza-Borrego Desert State Park. Animals from fairy tale lands, animals from ages ago, never to be seen on the face of Earth, impossible to find, until Ricardo Breceda came along and decided otherwise. Well, actually, there was his friend, good old philanthropist Dennis Avery, who called in a favor and asked Breceda to create large metal figures for his Galleta Meadows estate, hence the name of this modern area, Galleta Meadows Sculptures. Why oh why is his estate now a desert? Give it a dig through the web. Breceda's self-taught style essentially involves welding sheets of metal around rebar frames, then adding in more intricate details like feathers, scales, and fur. The dragon, a beast either in good humor or ready to pounce on prey. I can almost imagine flames spouting from its snout. Take a closer look at this dragon. The small scale patterns above its eyes, the flat scale layers between its nostrils, the sharp, jagged tongue, the pebble-like scales patiently dotting its crest. Imagine the dunes are lapping waves in a calm ocean. This dragon languidly coiling and roiling through its midst, startling schools of fish. Imagine a splash of color on its hide, and animate the motion, up and down, twisting beneath the placid currents. How does it feel to touch a dragon? Cool, crisp, and slightly sandpapery, or slimy and gooey? Or do dragons disappear when touched entirely? Imagine if this thing flew into your house, an elephant in the room, literally, or should I say a grasshopper? How do you think it feels to ride a camel this tall? Then people will be telling you to get off your high horse, or should I say camel? Hope you had fun embarking on this desert odyssey, roaming past time and imagination. Ta-da!